At Hardscape.com, we often get asked, what makes porcelain pavers different from concrete or natural stone? The answer is simple: performance and precision. Our Italian-made pavers are non-porous, resistant to stains, fading, and cracking, and they look stunning for decades. They don't require sealing, and they're incredibly easy to clean. Whether it's for a driveway, pool deck, or patio porcelain, just performs better. A common question is, do porcelain pavers get hot? The truth is not all pavers are the same. Our porcelain is engineered with special surfaces that reflect more heat, keeping them cooler to the touch even in places like Nevada or Florida. Perfect for bare feet on a sunny day. Can porcelain pavers be used for driveways? Absolutely. Our 3cm and 5cm porcelain pavers are designed specifically for high traffic areas like driveways. They handle heavy vehicle loads, resist oil and tire marks, and maintain their appearance for years. Installed with our exclusive spacer system, they deliver strength and long-term stability. Why choose porcelain over natural stone? Porcelain pavers are a modern solution with timeless beauty. Unlike natural stone, they don't absorb moisture, which means no mold, no discoloration, and no cracks during freeze-thaw cycles. Plus, they offer more consistency in color, pattern, and size, making installation easier and the final look more refined. How long do porcelain pavers last? Porcelain pavers can last a lifetime. They're manufactured under extreme heat and pressure, giving them unmatched density and strength. With proper installation, you can expect your project to remain beautiful and functional for decades with little maintenance. Thank you for watching. For more information, feel free to contact us at 888-51-36374. Send us an email at info@hardscape.com or visit www.hardscape.com.